Hi, I want to show you how to delete a sticker from iPhone keyboard. For that, we need to open any app in which you can trigger your keyboard, for example, Messages. Now, trigger your keyboard and tap on emoji icon. After that, you will see your recently used emojis. And to view your stickers, you need to swipe right. And here they are. So now to delete any sticker from the list, we need to press and hold it to see this menu. And of course, tap on the right option, delete. And as you can see, it's immediately gone from my sticker pack. To create new one, you can also tap on this small icon. Choose photo from which you want to make sticker. Tap add sticker. And with this way, you add it to your emoji keyboard. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.